Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to share someone Twitter video without retweeting. So let me just show you. This is a video, and if I want to share it, I have to click on the share icon, and after that I have to copy this link. Okay, and after copying the link I have to click on the plus icon, which is on bottom right side corner, and after that I have to select the tweet. Okay, and here it will open, and I have to just paste that link which I copied, right? And after that you can select that if you want to show to everybody or the people you follow or only people you mention, right? So, and you can also select that only you want to share to the everybody or your only tweet circle. So after selecting whatever you need, you can just click on the tweet, and in this way you will able to share this tweet without retweeting this video. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, smash that like button, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.